The physical check. Look for any cosmetic damages to the tripod. The functionality check. Check that the spreaders are functional. Press down firmly on the tripod to ensure the locks are sturdy. Return the spreaders to their original position. Extend all the legs and lock them in place. Check that the tripod head bubble lock loosens and tightens. Test the fluidity and resistance of the pan and tilt handles. Make sure that the tripod arm turns and locks. Make sure all the accessories for the camera are included in the kit. That includes the camera with its lens and base plate attached, 2 batteries, a battery charger, an XLR cable, the SD card and SD card holder. Make sure to check for any cosmetic damages. Assembly. Attach the battery in the slot at the back of the camera. Insert the SD card. Take off the lens cap and attach the sun hood to the lens. Attach the XLR cable to the audio in slot on the side of the camera. Attach the shotgun microphone to the top of the camera. Turn on the camera. Test the ND filter using the dial on the front of the camera. Use the Start/Stop button to start the recording. Test ISO by using the gain switch at the bottom left side of the camera. How to change a lens. Make sure to ask for a lens adapter if your kit does not include one. Check that all lenses are included in your kit. Make sure each lens has a lens cap on the front and back of the lens. Before starting a lens change, ask a friend to assist you. Press the release button while twisting the lens to detach it. Ask your friend to cover the open sensor of the camera. Before you select a new lens, put a lens cap on the back of your current lens. Attach the lens adapter to the camera by aligning the red dot of the adapter with the red dot on the camera. When passing any lens to another crew member, make sure to verbally indicate your actions to them. Disassembly. Make sure to cover the sensor while you put away your lens. Press the release button to remove the adapter. Attach the original lens to the camera by aligning the red dots.